empirical formula, general protocol, grams of each, mole ratio. In this problem, we see we have a compound that contains chromium and oxygen. We're given a total mass and a mass of chromium. So we need to subtract to find the mass of oxygen. So now that we know how many grams we have of each element, we can determine moles of each. The mole ratio doesn't look obvious to me, so I'm going to divide by the least number of moles. Alright, so we have a 1.0 to 1.5 mole ratio, but our empirical formula has to be the lowest whole number ratio possible. We can't round these off. Instead, we're going to multiply each of these subscripts by 2. So now we have Cr2O3 as the empirical formula of our compound.